What's going on, everybody? Ian here for Cult of Mac, and this is Apple's brand new 12.9-inch iPad Pro, complete with Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard Folio. Now, this is the most drastic change to the iPad since its original introduction in 2010, and it's also probably the product I'm most excited to unbox from Apple in a very long time. I'm really looking forward to this iPad. So without further ado, let's jump into it. For those that are curious, I picked up the 64GB model because all of my files are stored in the cloud, and I opted for Wi-Fi only instead of the cellular because I always have my phone with me, and having the ability to connect to the iPad with personal hotspot is usually more than enough on the off chance that I need to get something really desperately on my iPad when I'm on the go. Getting down inside the box, we have the iPad itself, which we'll get to in just a minute. Below that, all the mandatory paperwork, quick start guide, Apple stickers, you know, the usual. Under that, we have the new 18-watt USB-C charging block, a very welcome change for the iPad, getting a little more power in its charger. Next to that, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, because hashtag USB-C life. There's no USB-A port on the cable. There's no headphones in the box, which makes sense. The iPad has never come with headphones in the box. And there's also no USB-C to headphone adapter since this iPad has lost the headphone jack. Apple's really going all in on their push for wireless audio with AirPods and Beats, but they're also offering plenty of routes into Dongle Town while they're at it. Now on to the main event. Now while that gets ready, let's take a look at the pencil and the smart keyboard. The pencil is just as you'd expect. Simple packaging with some paperwork here on top and the pencil laid down inside. Attaching the pencil to the iPad is done, I believe, like this. That's really satisfying, actually. Now I'll move on to the smart keyboard. Once again, the packaging is really simple. We'll just get it cut open here. And we'll get the box open eventually. Okay, there we go. All right. So this smart keyboard feels pretty solid. The keys have this like weird texture to them. The smart keyboard, much like the pencil, attaches to the iPad magnetically using some selection of the 102 magnets inside the device. And the keyboard itself is fabric covered, which feels decent to the touch right now, but I'll have more in-depth feelings in my full review eventually. So yeah, that's it. That's everything in the box. That's the iPad Pro, the new Apple Pencil 2, and the new Smart Keyboard Folio. for the iPad Pro 12.9. Full review will be coming in about a week. And if you have any questions you want me to answer in the review, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the review when it comes out next week. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.